Bonsoir les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, you are going to learn about the l'imperative affirmative. L'imperative is the pronunciation of this term. Affirmative. The purpose of l'imperative is that we use it for giving urgent orders or pass on urgent messages. It can only be formed in present tense. So let's follow these 5 steps to form the l'imperative affirmative form. First, I'll take one example. Suppose parler, er ending verb. First, we conjugate the verb in present tense. So step 1 is je parle, tu parles, il, elle, on parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, and il, elle parle. Now the second step is take the tu, nous and vous form. So we will simply take the tu form, that is tu parles, nous parles, nous parlons, and vous parlez. We don't require the rest of the 3 forms. The third step is remove s from the conjugated form of tu if the verb is er ending. Parler is er ending. So we will remove this s from here. The second point in the third step is that we have to remove all the subject pronouns. So we simply remove the subject pronouns. So this is what we do in step number 3, point 1 and point 2. Step 4 is change the first letter of the verb to capital. So step 4 and step 5, we will execute both these steps in this. Step 5 is put an exclamation mark after the verb. So first we will make the first letter of each of these stems in capital, and then step 5 says that we have to put a exclamation mark after the verb. So this is the final form of l'imperative affirmative. This means speak, let's speak, or let us speak, and speak. Remember, if the verb is er ending, we will simply remove s from the tu form and we get the l'imperative affirmative forms in this manner. If I give you some examples, suppose parle lentement, parle lentement. This means speak slowly. We are giving a order. Speak slowly. Lentement means slowly. Lentement. Second example, parlons français. Speak. Let's speak French. So this is how we form the lamperative affirmative for the er ending verb. Let's do it for the next set of verbs. Suppose I take a verb finir. Finir means to finish. If we conjugate the verb, the tu form will be finis. Nu form will be finissant. And vu form will be finisse. Double S. The third step was that we remove S from the tu form if the verb is er ending. Here the verb is ir ending, so we will not remove this S from the tu form. The second removal was that we remove the subject pronouns. So here we simply move on to the third, fourth and the fifth step. Finis, finissant, finisse. Finish, order. Let's finish. And finish. Let's take up some examples. This means finish your homework. Finile the work. This means homework, tasks, or assignments. Second example, finissant le travail. Travail means work. Let's finish the work. Third example, let's take one more. Finissez le projet. Finish the project. Projet means project. I'll take one more example for making prendre, which means to take. The tu form is tu prends, nous prenons, and vous prenez. The third step was that we remove the S from the tu form. Since the verb is not er ending, so we will not remove this S. Then the removal of all the subject pronouns. Then step 3 and 4 was to make the first letter of the verb in capital and put the exclamation. If you follow the steps, these lamperative conjugations will be very easy. Prends means take. Let's take. Take. Let's take some examples. Prends ce livre. Take this book. We have done the demonstrative adjectives. I'll share the link. Kindly visit the video and understand how and when these so, say, set is going to be used. Prenons le bus. Bus means bus. Pronunciation is bus. Prenons le bus. which means let's take the bus. The third example, prenez une chaise. Chaise means chair. So this is how we make the imperative and affirmative form for the three types of verbs, that is er ending, ir ending, and re ending. Please practice the imperative and affirmative form for all the verbs that we have completed till now, including yer, cer, and ger ending verbs. We will take up the topic imperative negative in the next video. Till then, keep on practicing. And if you understood the content of the video and you like the video, share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel, Master French with Vidyansshu. Also, press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates on time. Atre, bientôt.